Hello YouTube, it is Sam's Diecast Showroom here. Today we have another package from Timmy Sent Again Toys. He sent me two in like 2 days, which is actually really awesome. I don't know where he got the two packages or the cars for them, but apparently he had some more extras. Here we go. You can read that if you'd like. From Timmy's 10 Again Toys to Sam's Diecast Showroom. And if you don't know Timmy's 10 Again Toys, he is a really cool YouTuber and we're friends in real life and we help each other out on our collections. Let's see what we got in here. I already opened it. It was really hard to open, but I didn't want to waste time in the video. I haven't looked at any of these yet. And check this out. What is this? A Matchbox. Looks like an older Matchbox. 2015 copyright, so probably maybe 2016 era. Look at that. I love the colors on that. Blue color on the Swamp Commander. This is awesome. From MBX Explorers. Take a nice look at that there. Beautiful green. That is really cool. Okay, let's see what we got next. We got a couple more in here. Oh, wow. 2016 Toyota Tacoma. That is a gorgeous pickup truck right there with the camper. I think these are really hot. I haven't seen a single one. Let's see. This is a 2022. This is a 2022 Matchbox. Wow. That is awesome. 2016 Toyota Tacoma, 100 of 100. And actually, there's supposed to be 102 cars for the 2022 lineup. But most of the cases, they just put 100, so they misprinted. Let's see. I think we got one more in here. Whoa. King Kuda. Muscle Mania series. This is metallic gray. Muscle Mania Magnus Walker release, 2019. That is wicked cool. Anything else? Oh, wow, we actually do have something else. What do we have here? Oh, this is the Zoom In from Xperia Motors. So this is one of those GoPro cars. That's pretty cool. And yeah, this is also from 2019. Take a nice look. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. And I'm probably going to end up giving this back to him. I actually already have this release. But guys, what'd you think? What'd you think of this video? Please subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next one. Shout out to Timmy's 10 Again Toys for these awesome cars. And we'll see you guys in the next video. This is Sam's Diecast, signing out.